Mario with Sulcata Grove, and today we are going to be taste testing a Francis Hargrave. Hargrove. It's one of those two, mango. This
Hargrave.
is Hargrave. Okay. Don't know anything about this one. This is another one that we picked up from Mango Man of Homestead, and so we're just going to give it a try. Got a very, smells kind of like a Nam Doc Mai a little bit. Nam Doc Mais have that kind of, for lack of a better term, kind of a grapiness to them. It's not really a good descriptor, but that's just kind of what it makes me think of. Alright, so let's see how this is. It reminds me a lot of Nam Doc Mai.
That's good.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
It's not super sweet, but it's sweet. No tartness, no fiber, and it's got that, to me, I don't know how to describe it other than a kind of a grapey flavor, but it's not really grape, but it's...
To me it's like light grape, slightly floral, but not super floral, but just a little bit, but sweet and light.
Definitely more floral than the grape.
But it cuts very nice. It's nice, thick flesh to it.
Does Roddy want some?
Roddy,
He's doing like a stinky face at it.
He's never been a big mango fan.
He's not a fan of anything.
But yeah, this is good.
I like that a lot, actually.
It's not my favorite grouping of mango, the grapey ones. We've had a couple other ones that kind of had that grapey kind of flavor.
This is one of my favorites in that grouping. Yeah.
Yeah, compared to some of them, this is because it's a little more balanced. But that's good. It's a nice sized mango. It's pretty.
Mm-hmm. There's a little bit of fiber.
A little bit. There's just a tiniest bit of astringency to it that kind of dries your mouth out as an aftertaste. Not real strong, but a little bit of that. I don't know what else to say.
I went and plain it because I have chocolate, which is already kind of in there, and I think this is better than Nam Doc Mai.
I haven't had a Nam Doc Mai in a while, so it's hard for me to compare without having them next to each other. But I don't know. I don't love it. It's not bad. It's
not wow.
Yeah.
It's not complex, but it's sweet.
It's very juicy. It's very You could squeeze a lot of. I mean, it's dripping here. It's good. But
we should get our little bricks thing out sometime and try to.
Oh yeah.
Figure out how to use it.
Anyway, so I don't know. I'd give it a 6, but it's not really my. It's not the kind of flavor that I like in a mango. Nothing wrong with it. It's just that's not.
I'd give it a 7 or 8. There's like no wow factor, but it's good.
Yeah, I like the sweeter, or citrusy, or some spiciness, and.
If I cut this open, I'd eat the whole thing.
Do you want the seed?
He didn't like it earlier. It got confused.
Do you want to eat the seed?
Sure.
Okay.
Definitely say like Nam Doc Mai does have like more spiciness to where this one doesn't, to where it's a little more off.
So
Somebody-
anyway, it's not bad if you like that. If you like that kind of a,
It's good near the sea. Do you want any or no?
I'm good.
Okay.
So if you like that kind of flavor to mango, this would be a really good one because like I said, other than it not really being the class of flavor that I like everything else about that mango. I like the size of it. You're dripping everywhere.
Oh no, that's so good.
But 2 is worth the sink. That's what always goes
mangoes,
to the sink.
mangoes should always be eaten over the
Oh
sink.
gosh.
But anyway, you know, it's good. It's just it's not appealing to me. It's just really not the flavor profile that I like. But other than that, I think it's a good mango. Certainly worth trying sometime. And if that is the kind of flavor profile you like in a mango, then you probably really like that one. So anyway, that's all for the day, and we'll see you next time.
Mango